When we speak English, we often refer to ourselves, other people, or things. Personal pronouns help us do this clearly and quickly. Let's explore 5 powerful pronoun roles that form the backbone of fluent, confident speech. Subject, object, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Each one plays a special part. Now, let's explore each pronoun person by person, perfect for building step-by-step understanding. Ready? I, me, my, mine, myself. This is where it all begins, with you as the speaker. Whether you're talking about your feelings, your things, or your actions, this set helps express yourself clearly. I, subject. I feel happy. Me, object. He called me. My, possessive adjective. This is my phone. Mine, possessive pronoun. That phone is mine. Myself, reflexive. I made it myself. Now that you've unlocked the tools to talk about yourself, the journey into communication begins. Let's meet your team. We. Subject. We love learning. Us. Object. He invited us. Our. Possessive adjective. This is our house. Ours. Possessive pronoun. That house is ours. Ourselves. Reflexive. We introduced ourselves. Now imagine standing shoulder to shoulder with friends, family, or colleagues. We pronouns build bridges. They speak with unity, harmony, and togetherness. Together, we're stronger. Let's zoom in from group to individual. It's time to talk directly to someone. You works for both singular and plural. These are all about the person you're speaking to. You, subject. You are smart. You, object. I see you. Your, possessive adjective. This is your book. Yours, possessive pronoun. That book is yours. Yourself, for singular. You made it yourself. Yourselves, for plural. Reflexive. You all helped yourselves. Here's where it gets personal. You're speaking to someone, maybe one person, maybe a whole group. These pronouns turn language into connection. You brings people into the conversation. Now, let's step behind the scenes and talk about others. Perfect for talking about people or things not here. Groups, friends, or even objects. They're not in the room, but they're in your story. They pronouns help us share information about others, friends, colleagues, even ideas. They, subject. They are coming. Them, object. I met them. Their, possessive adjective. This is their idea. Theirs, possessive pronoun. That idea is theirs. Themselves, reflexive. They helped themselves. We've covered the crowd. Now let's zoom in. Spotlight on one man. Say hello to he. Use this set when you're talking about one male. Clear, simple, and confident. Talk about one male person with this set. He, subject. He works hard. Him, object. I admire him. His, possessive adjective. This is his pen. His, possessive pronoun. That pen is his. Himself, reflexive. He drew it himself. Let's shift the lens again from he to she. Equal spotlight, new expressions. She steps onto the stage with elegance and energy. These pronouns bring clarity when talking about a woman. Powerful, expressive, and precise. When you refer to one female person, these are your go-tos. She, subject. She sings well. Her, object. I saw her. Her, possessive adjective. That's her coat. Hers, possessive pronoun. That coat is hers. Herself, reflexive. She baked it herself. Now that we've met him and her, let's talk about things, ideas, animals. Ready? It is your go-to for the world around us. Cats, cars, the weather, ideas. This set is simple, efficient, and endlessly useful. It to be subject or object. It looks nice. Or, I like it. It's to be possessive adjective. This is its tail. There is no possessive pronoun for it. We don't say its as a standalone pronoun. Itself, reflexive. The cat cleaned itself. From I to it, You've now mastered the full cast of personal pronouns. These tiny words carry big power. Every sentence becomes smoother, stronger, and more you. Mastering personal pronouns is like unlocking the map of English expression. From talking about yourself to describing others, these words empower your voice. Whether you're speaking, writing, or creating lessons, each set brings clarity and connection. Thanks for watching. Personal pronouns may be small, but they make a big difference in English fluency. And now you've taken one more step forward in your journey. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more clear, confidence-building English lessons. Share this video with a friend or classmate who's learning English. Let's help more people grow together. And drop a comment to tell us how you're using personal pronouns in your daily life. We love hearing from you. Your support means the world, and every like, share, and subscribe helps us keep creating powerful, beginner-friendly content. Thanks for being part of English Evolution Step 1. Keep learning, keep evolving. See you in the next lesson.